Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can change profile picture of Snapchat. So first open Snapchat, go and click on the profile here. After click on profile, click on public profile. After that click on this pin and click here on a profile. So here you can choose how you can change the picture. I will choose from library, and here you can see the picture that you want on the profile. Let me choose this. After that click confirm, and here is your profile has been changed.